Hello and welcome back. I think it's time to start this project. We're starting by jacking the car up a bit so I can work around it and get the bumpers off and everything. But it's a little bit tight here. I think we'll pull the car out first. How much space do we need? I want to have space for another car here, and take it from here. Here we can get more space. If I want to disassemble this, I can reach around here. This is good enough. I start by jacking up the car a little bit on this side first. Then I pull up the other side and go back here to jack it up all the way. When I'm done in the front, I will go on with the right rear side. And the car is so stiff, so it's almost nothing left to do on the rear left side. We'll do this side. The plan for today is to take the front bumper off the car. I think the attachment points on the inside is damaged, because I can feel the bumper is not stiff enough. I can move it. And she's up. Now we can take a look of these things I build. It's just angled, what do you call them? Vinkeljärn, angled, 90 degrees angled iron here. Just welded together like this and put some wheels on it. And I wanted to be able to drive up on them. You can actually have them like this without the insert in, but the car is sitting, it's hard to drive out of them without them getting cut. It's easy on the driving wheel, but the other wheels not so easy. So I put this in. I have these like this, and I just, let's see here. I put that one and fitted that one like that. Then you can drive up on this or drive down. Then you just leave this one and can move the car sideways. So it's fast and easy, because I want to move the car and drive it away to use it often. If you have to use jacks and pull the car or everything, then I don't use the car as much. I think we'll pull up the roof so it don't get so dirty inside. We want to protect the inside a bit. Let's see. The first thing is we're going to take off this bumper. And we have some wiring to the lights. But then it's, I think it's 2 bolts on either side. And small screws here. We start with that. It's paint on this one, so I have painted without taking anything away. So that's not the way I do it. Paint on that one. Two on this side. Three on big one, 3 on that side. Back in the days when I owned this car the first time, I had something under here to help the bumper up. There's one, there's one. Is the other one from the inside? It should be one there, but it's not. It's missing. Yeah, it's missing too. Can we get some pictures here? Or is it too dark? What do we see? Need to take that one is easy. The other one is actually loose. Something is not right here. Everything is broken. Somehow it's not connected like it should be. I thought this was broken, but this was actually just not put together the right way. Maybe we change this for a clear, for a white one. should be two screws on either side, but it seems to be only one. And the box on the right side, the attachment box, is broken. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.